Hello my friends. I stopped in Goodwill yesterday and picked up this egg poaching pan, and let me show you the pan. First of all, the lid has a high top handle and it's riveted. The poaching part has these individual cups and it's all stainless steel. This insert sets into the pot. The pot's a deep saucepan, and you put water in here and it's used for steaming. It has a heavy base, has a cast handle. The handle also is riveted. So I only buy them if the handles are riveted. If they're spot welded, the handles have a tendency to break after time. A nice advantage of this, the handle doesn't get real hot. It has this opening here that has minimum contact in with the pot, so the handle will stay cooler. In comparison, I have this deep pot here, similar situation, riveted handle, all stainless steel, heavy base. But if you look at the handle on this one, it's a thin piece of sheet metal that's formed. It's stainless steel, which is good quality. However, if you look at this section here, the cutout, as the heat comes up, it hits this portion of the handle and it comes up through the hollow handle. This handle gets extremely hot. This is probably why this one was discarded and given to Goodwill. This one here, both of these were for like $5, so that's a pretty good buy. This is like a $40 pot, and we're going to give this its first test. You want to put about a ½ inch of water in here. I'm going to turn the heat up to minimum. We want to get this to just a slow boil. I'm going to hit these cups with some olive oil. This will help the eggs release. Just a real light coat. You can put a dab of butter in there if you like. Then we drop the eggs in the cups. Water is up to a light boil. We set our eggs in, cover it, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, counting down.
You can cook these 3 to 5 minutes. I like 5 minutes because I like the eggs a little bit firmer. 3 minutes will give you a real runny egg. 5 minutes is up. Salt and pepper to taste. Some cheese. Eggs still runny. Perfect poached egg in under 10 minutes. 5-minute cook time, 5-minute prep time. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.